Welcome back to Dad Deals for the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in August 2026. So in this video, I'll be covering all the best deals during this month, including your coupon deals, your instant savings. They just dropped a bunch of new Inside Track Club member deals. And of course, the star of the show this month is the huge parking lot sale that will be kicking off Monday, August 10th for Inside Track Club member early access, and then Friday, August 14th for everybody else. And this is a good one. I'll break down my favorite deals from this flyer so you could be fully prepared when that sale happens. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and let's get started. All right, first up, let's start with that parking lot sale. And as usual, you have these marquee deals in the middle of the front page here. And those are going to be 35% off all of the Quinn hand tools. So that is a very solid deal there. Quinn has been one of the sleeper brands over at Harbor Freight for quite a while. They sort of sit right in between that Pittsburgh and Icon line. And there are some great tools here. They all have the lifetime warranty, as with all of Harbor Freight hand tools. So this should include all of their socket sets, all the different kinds of pliers that they have, the torque wrenches, all that stuff should be included, and it'll be 35% off. All right, next up is 25% off all of the US General and Franklin carts. Now, this one is not as good of a deal as it seems. So when you take something like, for example, the 5-drawer mechanics cart, that's probably the most popular cart that Harbor Freight sells, that is list priced at $290. So 25% off, that puts the price right around the $218 mark. That's not the best price that we see for that cart at all. Really, a good price for that is sub $200, about $199. So definitely be careful there. Not all of those US General carts are going to be a great deal at just 25% off. All right, next up is 30% off all of the Icon torque wrenches and breaker bars. So unfortunately, this is not off a ton of the Icon tools, just those torque wrenches and breaker bars, but 30% off is still a decent deal. And then here is the big one. This is my favorite one. This is 40% off all of their clamps. So bar clamps, squeeze clamps, they are all going to be included. There's some great brands here, like the Bremen clamps are really nice, but I will definitely be stocking up on these clamps. That is a great deal. I think their clamps are some of the best buys anyway, and 40% off those prices is a huge deal. All right, so some other great deals to be on the lookout for. They have the 9mm 50-pack of their gloves are going to be 50% off at $8.50. That's a great deal and a great time to stock up on those. You have the peg-style socket trays will be 40% off at $15. Hercules has their buy a starter kit for $120. You get that battery and charger. You get to pick a free tool. So $120 for basically a tool, charger, and battery on the Hercules line. So it's really great to see these deals back. Bauer also has one on the next page. We'll get to that in a second. The 5,000 watt dual fuel Predator generator here at $780 is a great buy. Here on the East Coast, we are right in the peak of hurricane season coming up. So if you need a generator, this is a really nice one. And that's $220 off the normal price. Next up, Harbor Freight actually reached out to me and asked if there was any tools that I wanted to try out. And I had a deck restaining project coming up. So they sent me this Bauer 1800 PSI portable electric pressure washer and also the Avanti airless paint primer and stain sprayer that you see here. Both of these are going to be on deep discount during this parking lot sale. The Bauer pressure washer will be just $70 and that paint sprayer will be $190. But let's talk about that Bauer pressure washer first. Now, this is really replacing that Portland pressure washer. They still sell that. But for all intents and purposes, I would definitely buy this Bauer one over the Portland one. I actually own both, and they pretty much have the same amount of power. Now, this Bauer one, the nice thing about it is it is quick connect ready right out of the box. The Portland one, you had to buy an extra adapter to make that quick connect compatible. So that is huge. Also, this Bauer one comes with the turbo nozzle. And when you're dealing with these lighter duty pressure washers, you're really going to want that turbo nozzle, especially when you're cleaning some outdoor furniture, things like that, and you want that extra power. Now, I was able to use this thing to pressure wash my deck before I restained it. And as you can see here, I was actually using a Ryobi surface cleaner that I had. So that quick connect compatibility is so nice to have. It really just opens up all the tips and the accessories and all those things that you might have from other brands. You're not locked down to the Bauer accessories or anything like that. The other thing I like about this Bauer one over the Portland pressure washer is that the Portland pressure washer was on wheels. Now you'll notice this one's not on wheels. I always joked around that I have no idea who would actually drag this Portland version using the wheels. It is so lightweight that I don't think I've ever used it that way. I always just pick it up and carry it wherever it needs to go. So I like that this one is kind of designed to do that. It's lighter weight. It's very easy to move around. So yeah, I was happy with it. It served my purposes. If you're in need of a light duty pressure washer, I really don't think you can get cheaper than $70. So this is going to be a great deal. So next up, I did try this Avanti airless paint and stain sprayer. Now, the really cool thing about this one, as opposed to the handheld version that I've had for a while, is that this one can handle stains and paints that are unthinned, so right out of the bucket. And it also has a very lightweight, easy to use handle, more like what the professionals would use. And this was my first time ever using a paint sprayer that is like this. I've always used the cheap versions that have the canister built into the handle, but this thing worked extremely well. Now, it was quite a bit to set up and prime it and get it ready to go, but this made staining these steps and this railing super easy, and the finish came out super smooth. One negative thing to these paint sprayers though is that these will suck up the stain and paint faster than you probably think it does. So it's able to put so much stain and paint out at one time that if you just have this thing in a 1 gallon bucket, you will be out of paint a lot faster than if you were using a brush. So just keep that in mind. I did use a staining pad to do most of the deck, but this was a really cool paint sprayer. So if you have been thinking about this, have any outdoor projects that this would come in handy for, I would pull the trigger at this $190 price. All right, coming over here to the second page, you see here front and center, this is the Bauer Buy Starter Kit, get a free tool. Now this one's $100. You get the battery, the charger, and then can pick a free tool off for $100. So great to see that. A couple more of those Predator generators that are on sale. You have the 3500 watt for $600 and the 13,000 watt tri-fuel generator for $950. They have the Hercules updated table saw here. Now has that rack and pinion fence, really puts it in line with most of these other job site table saws. And that's on sale for $330 at $50 off. The Bauer variable speed compact router right here is 41% off at just $35. That's a killer deal. Check out this here is that Portland pressure washer that I was talking about earlier. This is actually more expensive than that Bauer version. This is $75. I don't know why you would choose this one over the Bauer one. So if you're debating between these two, look, I have them both. I would definitely choose that Bauer version. You have your Bauer random orbital palm sander at $20. That's about half off the normal price. That's a great price. Some more gloves on sale down here. We have the 5 mil. Those are 100 packs of gloves for 54% off at $5.94. You also have these 7 mil gloves. That's a 50 pack for $7. So pretty much all of their gloves, the disposable kind, are about 50% off. Next up on page 3, here's a great price on the magnetic tool holder. Now, sometimes you can get that for free over a weekend, but 63% off at just under $2, $1.84 is a great deal for that. You also have the infrared thermometer. These are great for grilling and griddling. That is half off at just $12. That's a great price. Some jacks on sale from Daytona. They have the 4-ton floor jack for $180. That's $90 off. And also the 3-ton low-profile Super Duty jack for $230. You also have the Badland off-road jack. That's the 3-ton version at $280. And then here is your fourth and final page right here. Scrolling on down here, I like these Apache cases. This is the 4800 Apache case. The extra large version at $40 is a great deal. They also have the rifle case here at $100. That's a nice deal as well. Here's that handheld paint sprayer from Avanti. This is the one I've had for a really long time. It does pretty well. You do need to thin most paints and stains that you put into it, and it can get a bit heavy to hold, but that is 42% off at just $40. That's a great deal. They also have your original meme tool. This is the Icon locking flex head ratchet set at $30. That's 25% off. That's a great deal. And that's pretty much it for your top picks during this parking lot sale. Let me know if I missed out on anything and what you're going to be after. But again, Inside Track Club members get early access on Monday, August 10th, then everyone else August 14th through August 16th. That's Sunday. That's the last day. All right, next up, let's talk about some of the coupons you can get right now. First up, we have the Dollar Day coupons. You have these Pittsburgh micro spring clamp sets, 6-pack. Now, you might have saw during that parking lot sale, all clamps are going to be 40% off, but this is actually over 40% off. This is 49% off. So if you're after this set, you're going to get a better deal right now using this coupon for just $1. They also have a 4-piece funnel set for $1. That's a great price, obviously. A high visibility socket adapter set from Pittsburgh, a 4-piece set here for just $3. I love the color-coded sockets over at Harbor Freight. Here's your deep socket set, 1/4-inch drive from Pittsburgh at $9. An amazing deal on these job site markers. These perform pretty much just as good as the Milwaukee ink saws out there at a fraction of the price, 99 cents for a 2-pack, 50 cents each. That's a great deal. Now, these next deals are Inside Track Club member only. That's the yearly subscription to get early access to things like the parking lot sale and also exclusive deals. but there's a lot to talk about here. So if you're an Inside Track Club member, these are for you. Our Hercules cutoff wheel. This is a 10-pack. When you're dealing with cutoff wheels, sometimes you want a nicer built one so it doesn't explode on you and lead to a very dangerous situation. This is $6, over half off the normal price here. They also have the Hercules sanding sheets for 42% off at just $4.59. They also have the 3/8 inch drive version of the color-coded deep socket set for $10 for Inside Track Club members. Here's a Bauer 14-gallon wet dry vacuum on sale for $100. You have a 1/2 inch drive of the impact rated deep socket set from Pittsburgh for $25. A hitch rack is always very helpful. If you have any road trips coming up, this can free up a lot of space in your car or van or truck, and this is $45. The Yukon workbenches with the solid wood top are on sale for $280. You can get it in gray, red, black, or blue. Here's a roof rack from Hallmaster for just $80. If your plants are dying in this summer heat, a soaker hose can be a great solution. Here's one for just $8 for a 50-foot version. If you need to do any hedge trimming, here's a corded tool so you don't have to worry about any batteries. This is the Portland Telescoping Pole Hedge Trimmer at just under $50. The Bauer modular toolbox system has seen a lot of updates recently. Here's the small toolbox on sale for $25. You get some nice compartments in here that are included in that. They also have these small parts organizer for $30. These screwdriver sets are kind of everywhere, but here's the Pittsburgh version. This is comfort grip screwdrivers on a nice stand that can sit right on your workbench. This is $20. Here's a headlamp from Braun. This is 700 lumens. It's rechargeable and it's $19. Some masonry bits from Hercules, a 6-piece set here for $13. That's a nice price. If you need to do any drawer organizing, first up here we have this 15-slot wrench organizer from US General for just under $5. You also have your 1/4 inch drive magnetic socket holders for $10. You can get those in standard or metric. They're color coded. They also have some magnetic wrench racks, a 4-piece set here for $10. And then I love these US General magnetic accessories. These are available in all the colors to match your cabinet. Here is the spray can and screwdriver holder for just under $10. A nice paintbrush set here. This is under their medium, better quality. This is $10 for a 4-pack. And then last up are these sanding sponges. They have a bunch of different grits available here, and these are just $4.29 for a 6-pack. So those are your deals for the start of August. Hopefully this gave you a game plan going into this month. And as always, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Also go follow me on Instagram. I've started posting there a lot and have been trying to build up my followers there. But as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.